Secret to making $1 million isn't glamorous, and it's definitely not what you think. Forget the glitz and glamour of tech startups or flashy investments. These boring businesses will quietly make you rich while others chase pipe dreams. Stay with me and I'll show you how the wealthiest people are cashing in on what nobody talks about. Most people are chasing the wrong dream. We live in a world where flashy startups and the next big thing are what catch all the attention. But here's the twist, the true millionaires? They're making bank in businesses you'd never expect. The best part? These boring businesses fly under the radar, and they're low competition because people simply don't see the potential. But if you're willing to look beyond the obvious, these 15 businesses might just be your ticket to $1 million. Let's dive into it. 1. Laundry services. You've probably never thought of laundry as $1 million business. It's just a mundane chore, right? Well, that's where the opportunity lies. Laundry is something people hate doing, and when people hate something, they pay to avoid it. Now imagine this, offering a laundry service where people pay a premium for pickup and delivery. No hassle, no stress, just fresh, clean clothes delivered to their door. The secret? Minimal overhead and loyal, recurring customers. It's boring, but it's profitable. 2. Self-storage units. What do people do with all their junk? They stash it in self-storage units, of course. The self-storage business is one of the least glamorous industries out there, but the potential? Massive. Think about it. People accumulate more stuff than they have space for, and once they start renting storage space, they rarely stop. The demand just keeps growing. And here's the kicker. Self-storage units are almost entirely passive income. You rent out the space and the money rolls in month after month. After trash collection and recycling, garbage, we all make it, and we all hate dealing with it. But what if I told you that trash could be your ticket to $1 million? Waste management is a business that never goes out of style. People always generate waste, and municipalities often outsource the job to private companies. With the right contracts in place, you could be running a company that picks up trash and recycles valuable materials for a tidy profit. Car washes. Cars get dirty, it's inevitable. And no matter how advanced technology gets, people will always need car washes. The best part about a car wash business is that it can be almost fully automated. Set it up, watch the cars roll in, and collect cash without even being there. The recurring need for car washes ensures a steady stream of income, and with low operational costs, the profit margins are impressive. ATM machines. You know those ATMs you pass by at gas stations, convenience stores, or the corner of a random street? Yeah, those machines are making people rich. Every time someone uses an ATM, there's a fee. Imagine having a network of machines spread across different locations, generating income every time someone takes out cash. With minimal upkeep and passive income, the ATM business is a sneaky way to earn big. Urban areas are growing, and finding a place to park is becoming a nightmare. Owning a parking lot might sound boring, but let me tell you, parking spaces are pure gold. Charge people by the hour, by the day, or even offer monthly subscriptions. Once the lot is paved and set up, it's all profit from there. The only real expense? A bit of maintenance. The potential for passive income is huge. It might seem like vending machines are a thing of the past, but they're far from dead. In fact, the vending machine business is thriving. Placing machines in high-traffic areas like schools, offices, or hospitals can generate steady, reliable income. The beauty of vending machines? You only need to restock them occasionally, meaning it's another passive income stream. No one likes cleaning, but everyone needs it done. That's where cleaning services come in, and trust me, this is one of the most underestimated industries out there. Whether it's homes, offices, or even specialized services like post-construction cleaning, the demand is endless. The secret here? Repeat customers. Once people trust your service, they're going to keep coming back. And that means stable, predictable income. As your business grows, you can even hire teams and expand without needing to do the dirty work yourself. 9. Pest control. Creepy crawlers, rodents, and bugs. Yeah, it's not glamorous, but pests are a problem that will never go away. Pest control businesses thrive because, let's face it, people will pay anything to get rid of an infestation. And here's where it gets interesting. Pest control is recession-proof. Whether the economy is booming or busting, people don't want pests in their homes. With just a few workers and some specialized equipment, this boring business could have you raking in the cash in no time. 10. Tree removal services. Tree removal might sound like an oddball industry, but think about it. Every neighborhood has old, damaged, or dangerous trees that need to come down. And let me tell you, people are willing to pay a lot for tree removal because it's something they can't and shouldn't do themselves. With minimal competition and high demand, this niche can be extremely profitable, especially in regions that experience severe weather. Plus, you can expand into other areas like stump grinding or landscaping for even more revenue. 11. Property management. Owning rental properties can be a headache, but managing them? That's where the money is. Property management companies handle everything from tenant screening to maintenance, and they take a percentage of the rent in return. Once you have a solid client base, this business becomes relatively hands-off. Whether it's residential or commercial properties, people are always looking for help managing their investments. The best part? You don't need to own the properties to profit from them. 12. Funeral homes. This one may sound dark, but there's no getting around it. The funeral industry is both necessary and lucrative. People don't like to talk about it, but funeral homes provide an essential service, and the demand for those services never goes away. As morbid as it sounds, it's a recession-proof business. With the right level of care and professionalism, you could build a business that helps families in difficult times while also securing a steady income. 13. Septic tank services. Dealing with septic tanks isn't exactly a dream job, but here's the thing. It's a vital service that homeowners with septic systems can't avoid. Septic tanks need regular maintenance, and when something goes wrong, people will pay top dollar to fix it fast. The best part? It's a high-margin, low-competition business. And once you establish trust with your clients, they'll keep coming back for regular service, meaning recurring revenue. 14. Appliance repair. Appliances break. It's inevitable. And with the price of new appliances rising, more and more people are choosing to repair rather than replace. Whether it's refrigerators, washing machines, or stoves, appliance repair services are in high demand. The best part? You don't need a huge investment to start. With a few tools and some training, you can launch a business that provides steady, reliable income. Plus, with the right marketing, you'll have more clients than you can handle. 15. Courier services. You'd think with all the major shipping companies out there that courier services wouldn't stand a chance. But the reality is, local courier businesses are thriving. Whether it's delivering medical supplies, documents, or food, there's always demand for fast, reliable couriers who can deliver on time. It's a low-barrier business with high potential, especially as more people expect rapid, same-day delivery services. But 15 boring businesses that most people ignore, but those who pay attention can quietly build a fortune. These businesses might not be glamorous, and they certainly won't impress anyone at a dinner party, but you know what they will do? They'll fill your bank account faster than you can imagine. The secret to making $1 million isn't in the flashy or trendy industries. It's in the reliable, overlooked opportunities that keep the world turning. So if you're ready to stop chasing the next big thing and start investing in the tried and true, these businesses might just be your ticket to financial freedom. For more ideas that can make you a millionaire, or click on the next video to uncover more hidden opportunities.